We got four more left, and it's 4:12 in the morning.
You know what? I was so madly in love with him. Like, as a friend.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't done a YouTube video in almost a year, maybe a little less than a year. But I'm back. Today I'll be doing small knotless braids on my hair. So this is the before we get into the braids or whatever. So yeah. I can honestly say the one thing I hate about doing my own hair is parting it. Everything else is fine, but when it comes to parting, 0 out of 10. But anyways. It's just a little check-in or whatever. I don't know how many hours I'm in. It's 2 in the morning. And I'm still, I got the top of my head to do. And that is normally like the longest part. The process of the top is like the longest part. But I'm trying to finish this in one sitting. I'm gonna have to do this technically later on today. It is what it is. Anyways, but yeah. So far, so good. Yeah. Alright, anyways, we got 4 more left, and it's 4:12 in the morning. And yeah, am I regretting my decision to do my hair this late? A little, but I know it'll save me like 15 minutes in the morning, so over time that time will add up and I'll get my sleep back. Yeah. Anyways. but before coronavirus, I had them youngest messed up. This is always the best part, I think, on everybody's end. As someone who does someone else's hair, well, not someone else's, as someone who does other people's hair on occasions, this is the best part. That means it's over, like, you're at the end, and it feels good, especially if it's a little bit on, if your scalp is a little, like, tense or whatever, or tender, that's a better word for it. If your scalp's a little tender from, like, all the pulling and combing and all that other stuff. So the mousse always feels good at the end. I was trying to mousse like everything. It's so hard to get every nook and cream. Alright, I think I got it all. Then I'll get my Gossipy Glue spray and I'll be done for tonight. Cause it's freaking 4 in the morning. And this took me, how long did this take me? I started probably around 2 this afternoon. 1, 2-ish. Cause I got the hair around 1 something. So yeah, probably I started this at 2. So like 14 hours. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is the final product. I did my hair. I was gonna do it curly, but it really did turn out the way I wanted it to. I don't know if you could tell. You can see the little wave in it. So I just did it straight. Yeah. And I'm loving it. See the back. And don't do too much on my parting. Don't do too much. But yeah. The parting in the front is good, always. But in the back, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And if you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.